This video is not for persons under the age of 13. By watching this video, you are declaring that you are above 13 years of age. Hello and welcome to this quick tip. It's going to look at Pantones. This year's colour of the year by Pantone is Classic Blue for 2020. What is a Pantone and what do we use it for, and how can we get that exact accurate colour? That's what we'll look at, and you can see an example of this colour in front of you now. Why are things like Pantone used? Well, if you're a person who has a specific colour set for your company and you want something designed with that specific colour, you need it to be standardised so everybody communicates the correct colours to one another. It's not good enough to be nearly like that colour. So what they do is they have a set of Pantone colours that are standardised and are all agreed upon. Now they are fitted into software programs such as this one that I'm showing you now. This is Affinity Photo, but most graphics applications have a similar kind of setup. In the colour section, or you may find something like that on your, it may not be there, it may be down here somewhere. You get something like that which indicates the colours that are active at the moment. But if you bring the colour panel up, you can find all sorts of alterations of colours. Now what I want to do is I want to click onto the thing that represents the fill of the colour, and this other box comes up. Now as you can see here, we get RGB, or this one as well can be, all of these can be manipulated, but this is what we're looking for. Now what you can do to research that particular colour, the classic blue, you just find out and do a bit of research on the internet what that particular colour is represented with regards to these numbers. So if I want to now do that, I can actually type it in. I'll click on the inside of it and type, the first one is 15, and then the next one is 76, and then the one after that is 129, and then click on that, and that will basically give the colour that we're needing. Right, so we close that, and if I wanted to, I'll just fill the entire area, for example. So I'll just go to the fill tool and tell it to fill that, and there you go, you've got the colour. Once you've got that colour on your page, your printer will know what that is, if it's set up to the RGB settings or whatever settings you've got it set on, and it will print that colour exactly. So that is how we get these colours exactly how we want to set them up. And if a client says they want this colour, then they state the Pantone colour, and then you put that particular colour code in. So I hope this has been helpful to you. I know it's something to get a grips with, but it is a good tool once you get to learn to use it. So we'll see you in another quick tip another time. Bye.